TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, what's happening, y'all? Today. I know I've been tripping, man. I've been tripping.
Stay off the weed.
So today, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of advice.
Perfect.
I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of advice. I'm gonna give you the 5 things that you really need to be a successful Uber and Lyft driver. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give you the sauce, man. I know. I said I was gonna quit Uber and Lyft. I'm done. Don't even ask me about it no more.
Y'all finished or y'all done?
But hey, you know what I'm saying? Money in between, kind of get hard.
That's what she said.
You know what I'm saying? Uber and Lyft is good in that way, but I would not recommend to do it full time. So let's go ahead and get into that list. Number one is common sense, y'all. It's a phone mount. A phone mount, yes. You don't want to be going around trying to get your little Uber rides or whatever, and you be fumbling with your phone.
Oh my
so
God.
please do it. I've seen some videos of some people not having phone mounts, and I've been in Ubers where people don't have phone mounts. It is not safe. Please get a phone mount. That's number 1 on the list. Very simple, very easy. Number 2 is another very simple thing that you need to have, and sometimes I forget it, is a phone charger. Yes. I even bring 2, you know, just for my passengers and 1 for me, because I definitely don't want to be unplugging mine and my battery about to die, and they're like, oh, you know what I'm saying, I give you 5 stars if I can get your charge. No. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to bring 1 for every type of phone. Just bring 1 for your type. If you have an iPhone or an Android, that's all you need. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to cater too much to what the actual, you know, passengers they really want, unless you just want to do it, man. Some people, they do a lot, man. They go out their way to really make their passengers feel welcome in that way. But I kind of feel like if you have a good personality and, you know, you just treat people right, you drive safe, and you get them to their destination in a timely manner, I think that'll get you a 5-star too. You know, so I don't think you have to buy all those extras just to do all that. Yeah, that cuts into your profit.
Smart.
Number three. This is very important for your safety and the passenger safety too, is a dash cam.
Gosh.
You really need to get you a dash cam just in case, you know, you get in an accident. Lord forbid you don't get in an accident, but you know, you need that for your safety, also for the safety of the passengers, and for safety if they talking the trash about you doing anything to them. You can have video footage showing that you were, you know, in compliance of the Uber and Lyft, you know, privacy. Oh man, I don't know what the heck I'm talking, but you know, you just didn't do nothing wrong. You didn't do anything wrong if you have video proof. So get a dash cam. Number four. This is definitely for those people that you get in your car and they be like, you know what I'm saying? You need disinfectant wipes. You know what I'm saying? Disinfectant wipe is something that I use all the time. When I first start, like in between rides, sometimes I do, because some people come in with a lot of BO, booty be stank. You know, so I gotta wipe the seats down. I got leather seats, so it works good on leather seats to wipe the disinfectant wipes on there. Some of the door handles, it keeps you from getting sick, and it makes it so the passengers feel like they're in a clean car if you have disinfectant wipes. And the last one on my list, this is something that you must have too. This is just like in the same category as the wipes. You need to have some Febreze or some type of air freshener or odor neutralizer, because like I said, it be some people that come in either smelling like boo-boo, either smelling like alcohol, either smelling like weed, either smelling like cigarettes, and you don't want your actual riders to make it You don't want your riders to feel like you're in there, you know, intoxicated or smelling like weed or anything like that. And plus, you know what I'm saying, it always helps for you to have a clean car. You know what I'm saying? Even when you come home, you can spray it, Febreze, get all those extra people smells out of your car. Because a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers use their personal cars. So, you know, that's one I could definitely put on the list. All right, guys, those are my top 5 things that I would recommend for you to get if you are trying to start out Uber and Lyfting. Uber and Lyfting, is that a word? I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? That's my 5, man. Those are the 5 things that I really think that you should have to have a successful Uber and Lyft job. You know what I'm saying? Those are mine. A lot of people, they might add water. They may add a whole bunch of other things, you know, creature comforts for the passengers. I think that works sometimes, but sometimes I think that eats up too much in your profit. But yeah, that's it, guys.
Come on, man.
That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. And please, 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 if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, when you do subscribe, hit the little notification bell. It'll come up after you hit the little side over there, you know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell so you can get all the bangers that we drop over here on TNT Garage. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. Y'all have a good one. All right, peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!